Today I'm going to quickly demonstrate the pelvic tilt exercise, which is great for strengthening your lower back and core while improving mobility in your pelvis. After that, I'll share some important precautions to help you get the most out of this exercise. To perform the pelvic tilt, start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Rest your arms by your sides. Tighten your abdominal muscles and press your lower back gently into the floor by tilting your pelvis upwards. Hold this position for a few seconds, then release and let your pelvis return to a neutral position. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions to improve mobility and build strength in your lower back and core. While performing the pelvic tilt, make sure to engage your core muscles without straining your lower back. The movement should be gentle and controlled. If you feel any discomfort, reduce the intensity or adjust your posture. This exercise primarily targets your abdominal muscles, pelvic floor, and lower back, making it a safe and effective way to relieve tension and strengthen your core. If this still feels too intense, you can modify by doing a cat-cow stretch, which is a gentler way to mobilize your spine and activate your core muscles. I have a video linked below that explains how to do the cat-cow stretch. Please remember that this video is for general information purposes and may not apply to everyone. If you have specific health concerns or limitations, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more self-care tips and exercises to improve strength, mobility, and flexibility throughout your body. Check out my channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.